Hi, and welcome to this overview of our Moodle class. I'm recording this as a screenshot. One of the first times I've done this, so it should be interesting to see how it works out. And so when you first sign in to Moodle, you should see this main screen, little mind map on project management, and a little briefing on getting started. The start here up here will have some information about the course overview and objectives and format, course syllabus, a little bit about me, and then some institutional things on getting help academically, um, and also some policies and regulations. There's an introductory Moodle form that I'd like you to click on. It's part of the requirements for this week. So when you click on that, it'll go to the forum and you'll add a topic here. We'll go ahead and go back to the class. I'll go ahead and go back to the class. And so here's how things are laid out. So of course, the course overview and objectives also are given here. Some things I put in a couple places. Everything should be linking up to the same thing. If I have some news announcements, you'll see them down in this area. And then these two forums are for you guys. One, just an open forum to discuss anything that you'd like to discuss informally. And then if you've got some specific question that everyone might have, go ahead and post it there. Maybe a student will answer. I might answer that. I monitor all these forums, but again, the second two are mostly for you guys to help each other out. I have a link to the classroom and some information about getting started in Adobe Connect that you might want to check out before class on Wednesday night. And as I mentioned in some emails to everyone, that 8 o'clock Eastern time is our new start time on Wednesdays, and we'll be meeting this Wednesday on August 30th. So I'm going to close all the topics so that you can see week to week. This is how the course is the course in Moodle is laid out. Week 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on down the line. Not available yet. More to explore is available to you as students, and in here are just some web resources and links that are, some of which are up to date, others of which I need to fix. So that's the overview there. Going back to the main course again. So some additional course information documents, admittedly, is somewhat of a duplicate of what's going on up here, and then some additional information on grading rubrics and discussion forums and that sort of thing. This next folder is for your simulation, the Simford project simulation and related documents. The overview of the simulation is described here. Right now, you might not be able to see everything. So in fact, some things I'll need to suppress. But here, there's some. When you click on this, you'll see the financial case for this project, a link to the interface or web page, and then an initial orientation video that's part of your assignment for the first week. And then every week is set up the same way. Each week, the first week's already loaded. There'll be another video here which I have not put in yet, but that'll get inserted when I'm wrapping things up for this week. What you'll see are the overview for the topic and what's actually required. Clicking on this here will show an overview. In fact, I need to update that video as well. So that's sort of the layout, and I thought it was worth going ahead and giving you a sense of where to find things each week. Each week's format will look very similar. There'll be associated readings, learning activities. Here's the discussion forum, and it back references and gives you a link up to the discussion forum up here. Normally discussion forums will be right in the week they're in. We like that first discussion forum to be right in front of you though, and that's why it's up there in the first week. And then information about stuff that's due already, this simulation, experiential exercises. And again, I'm going to talk about all this stuff and go over the syllabus in detail as well on Wednesday's class night, as kind of our syllabus night, and open it up for more questions. But I thought it was worth our time to take a look at this here in this video, and that'll help you out from there. So that's all I have for this introduction to the Moodle website as part of our week 1 introduction. Thank you.